another taste test, okay? So I found it from Walgreens. It's a Lean Dubai style chocolate, okay? So remember my first vlog for the Dubai chocolate that I tasted? It's really good. It's yummy, 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 yummy. Now I will gonna try this one. Try this one, the Lean, and then the other one. This is original Dubai chocolate, and the other one is from Habibi's. I'm gonna try this 3 chocolate, but this one I'm gonna try this. Hold on. It's more on chocolate. See, more on chocolate. Good. And then the next one is the Beyogya from Dubai. I bought it from Arco. Kasi nag-stop over kami dito sa Arco. Nagpa-gasolina lang yung aking electric car, okay? People are looking at us when I came here. Good, not sweet. Good. It's good for the diabetic people. It looks like the Habibi is a dark chocolate. Good. 5.
What's your rating? 1 to 5.
Okay. This one from 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. So I can say this is 2. Okay, 2. And this one from 1 to 5, this is 5. And the last one, 1 to 5, it's 4. Okay? Bye-bye. See you on my next Dubai chocolate.
You've been on my mind so long, I can't